At sa pamunuan po ng Centro Mall, PJ, ang Senior Operations Manager ng Centro Mall South, at Kiwili ng Area Manager, Mindoro Manager, no? At sa lahat po ng mga tenants and of course shoppers, and to all of you, we are here. Ang City Hall po, ang pamahalaan lungsod ng Calapan ay nakikisa sa activity na ito. Ang Centro Mall will always be an example. I know you are on your 33rd mall. Pang 33 na mall na ito ng Centro Mall. Pagbukas po nito ng lighting mamaya, sigurado maganda ito. I hope we'll have a Merry Christmas, a beautiful New Year coming ahead of us. But then be rest assured, as I am telling right now, na ang lungsod ng Calapan po will just be around para sa isang maayos na bayan, sigurado. Merry Christmas! Happy New Year!
And to our friends and partners in the LGU, salamat po for your unwavering support and trust. Tinitiyak namin na dahil sa inyong tulong at sa aming sipag, we were able to maintain a safe, joyous, and accessible space for every Filipino family. And don't forget the reason for the season. It is the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ.